What's up, guys? So today I have the Cyma P-90. So here's how it looks. It has fake bullets, which is kind of cool, and then it has a place where you can put scopes. This is the short muzzle one. Also, you can go like, that's how you like fake load it, I guess. But so here's the switch. So that's safety, and then I don't know, that says like 1, and then this one's A, which is like safety, single, and full auto. But here's how those bullets look. And here's this. Here's the battery compartment. So you just put your finger in like this and you slide it out. So there's where the battery goes. I think this one has a and you just shove this in like that, and you put it like this. You slide back on, and then make sure that clips. This part was missing when we got it, so I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. That warning sticker was added, and yeah, there's how the muzzle looks. So I think the next step, we will be shooting it full auto, and yeah. Oh, but I also should mention, you just push this to take the gun out like that. Then you just push it back in, you go like this, you make sure it clicked, you're ready to shoot. So here's an apple, and I'll see if I can try to shoot it from here. Boom. The thing about this gun, let's see, the sights are literally crap. It's not that good for sights, but then at least it fits nicely into your arms like this. So that's like the best part, that it's small, but you can shoot good. And then we'll try full. Yeah, but this only holds like 80 rounds this round. And that's basically the end of the video.